have what? Lots of friends. Are you happy? Emma is really happy with her friends. Show them your friends. This one is Chick Chick. Show your other friends pa. That one is Elephant. Goody. What's your other friend pa? Show your other friends pa. What's that? This one is? It's a monkey. Other friends? Dad, pa-off nga muna yung tumutugtog. What's your other friends? Show me your other friends. What's that? The? Wolf? Wolf. Okay, how about your other friends pa? Show them your other friends pa. What's that? What's the name of that friend? What's that?
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo? No, that's Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Okay. I'll put them down na. Who's your other friends pa? What's the name of that friend, Eme? JJ. What's that? JJ. How about the other friend pa? My name is Jamie. Who's your other friend? Show them your other friend pa. Who's that, Eme? Bingo. How about the other one? The last friend that you haven't shown them. Who's that, Eme? My name is Yo. Yo-yo. You have so many friends, Eme. Like them with your friends, Eme. Aww. Are you happy? Is Eme happy? That's your spot? Where's JJ's spot? Okay.